Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about types of transposable element. There are three types of transposable elements: transposons, retrotransposons, and retroposons. So first type is transposon. Transposon is mostly found in prokaryotes, and it is a sequence of DNA that has ability to move from one place to other within a genome. It's a simple type of transposable element. Okay, and it also contains transposase gene, which helps in the synthesis of enzyme transposase, and that helps in the movement of transposable element from one place to other. So transposon is flanked by inverted repeats. So it is simple in structure. So transposon is flanked at both the ends by inverted repeats, and this is mostly found in prokaryotes, and it is moving from one place to other within a genome. The second class is retrotransposon. This retrotransposon is mostly found in eukaryotes, and retrotransposon is transported via RNA intermediate. It's not through directly replication, so it is first undergoing transcription, and then it is reverse transcribed to DNA, and this reverse transcribed DNA will be inserted into a new location. So here, coming to the structure of a retrotransposon. Retrotransposon is first flanked by long terminal repeats at both the ends. If you first see, retrotransposon is flanked by long terminal repeats, and then these long terminal repeats will be flanked by inverted repeats. And then you will find as long terminal repeats. So DNA to RNA, RNA to DNA, and this DNA will be inserted into a new location. So that's why it is called as copy and paste, but only thing is it is via through RNA intermediate. So it is resembling retrovirus. The third class is retroposon. Retroposon is also same. It is also transported via RNA intermediate, but the only difference is the structure. It is not having long terminal repeats. So non-LTR containing retrotransposon will be called as retroposon. If you see the structure here, retrotransposon will have LTR and IR and transported via RNA intermediate. Retroposon is also transported via mRNA intermediate, that is transcription, reverse transcription, and then DNA, and this DNA will be inserted into a new location, but the difference is the structure. It is LTR is absent and only inverted sequence will be present. That's why it is called as non-LTR retrotransposon, and they are also found in eukaryotes, and they are transported through a RNA intermediate. And coming to the different types of transposable elements which are found in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, that is in bacteria, we find IS element, that is insertion sequence, and transposons. As we discussed, the first class is transposon. So transposable elements which are found in bacteria is insertion sequence and transposons, and these transposons are of two different types: composite transposon and non-composite transposon. In detail we'll discuss in the next video. And then next is transposable elements in eukaryotes. There are different types. Transposable elements in yeast will be called as TY elements. We observe even in plants, that is transposable elements in plants, that is the maize plant. And example for the transposable element in plants is AC and DS element, and transposable elements which are found in Drosophila are Copia element and P element.